Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Subscribe to the channel, get new and interesting videos. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell button next to it. Please subscribe to my channel and like, comments. Let's get started. Let's gadget video. Convercycle bikes. These bikes belongs to carry things. Feature just last week the Convercycle e-bike transfer between regular and cargo configuration. It regular bike mode. Its real swings arm folder down, folder and lock in piece, taking the back wheeler up inside of the built-in cargo rack. Once it time to load up on grocer, baby seats or whatnot, that swings arms is folder back, extending the wheelbase and opening the rack up. The folder is process reportedly takes just 3 seconds and can be down with one hand. Once it cargo mode, Navdy with maps, calls, messenger, notification, music and car information. Projector directly in front of you. You will never again miss to turn on the information you need while driving. For the first time driving car, look forward, wheel staying connected and easy smellings in steering of their phone into the driving experience. Navdy stay connected while driving with maps, calls, messengers, music and car inform project directly in front of you using analyzing real-life technology. Navdy is very easy using in the car. Navdy every man like it, and location is very simple. It Navdy spoket LED. Without LED spoket it on your bicycle wheel, will you be clear visible on your midnight? Spoket it, if you may say so ourselves. A very cool way. This is my review and configuration of the road bike light spoket it LED spoket light versus Sims LED minutes spoket light by night. Both are good night of bicycle wheel. Here I am reviewing the this on it LED spoket light and the blue Sims LED spoket. I found the C wheel is more compact and serves both between are double weather research and can last up to 20 hours. Definitely recommends using this. Boombiya, the virtual farming revolution at home. The home vertical garden that help you grow your own food anywhere and anytime with zero offer. Boombiya is a self-connect, user-friendly hybrid virtual garden that will recover that way you grow and consume food. Boombiya is module easy to use and built to the highest manufacturing standard. From the moment Boombiya arrived at your front door, you will be ready to start growing your own fresh fruit, vegetable, herb and much more. It's as easy as using a coffee manufacturer. boombiya Magic Microlight. Magic Microlight are powered by magic, by contact RAM without magic, endless light without a block box system made from even expanded acid. This must be until you process current you did and do not need extra atoms because they are lighted in bicycle brake shoe. For disc brakes, see the OS version in the video. Clause and a version first reviewed product. It sing as real light. Magic light latest head is tail produce. Magic light bin start. Turn your bikes. Every without using an smartphone. The brake level. Your turn single. Bicycle safety and a new level. Contact Microlights by